Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an essential part of building fire safety: wet riser systems. Whether you're a safety professional, a building manager, or just someone who wants to stay informed, this breakdown will help you understand what wet risers are, how they work, and why they're a lifesaver during a fire emergency. Let's start with the basics. A wet riser system is a network of vertical pipes that are constantly filled with water, ready for immediate use by firefighters in multi-story buildings. Unlike dry risers, which need to be manually charged with water, wet risers are always pressurized. This means the second a firefighter connects a hose, water is instantly available. No waiting, no delays. Why is this important? Time is everything during a fire. A wet riser cuts out the need for external water sources or pumping, allowing firefighters to tackle flames faster, especially in high-rise buildings where getting water to upper floors can be a massive challenge. The system typically consists of a water supply, a pump set to maintain pressure, vertical pipes running through the building, and landing valves at strategic points, usually on every floor, where firefighters can connect their hoses. These valves are designed to withstand high pressure and provide a steady, reliable water flow when needed most. Let's talk safety. Wet riser systems require regular inspection and maintenance to ensure they function perfectly in an emergency. Imagine a fire breaking out and the system fails because it wasn't checked. The consequences could be catastrophic. Routine checks include ensuring valves aren't blocked, water pressure is stable, and no leaks or corrosion have weakened the pipes. So why should you care about wet riser systems? If you work in or manage a high-rise building, this knowledge isn't just helpful, it's vital. Knowing how the system works can help ensure the safety of everyone inside. For safety professionals, it's a must-know when performing risk assessments or safety audits. That wraps up today's breakdown of wet riser systems. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more fire safety insights. Want to dive even deeper into workplace safety and fire prevention? Check out HSEstudy for more detailed resources and guides. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.